Wood screw or metal screw? The right answer is not based on appearance alone. It starts with the materials you are joining, the thickness of those materials, and the performance the connection must provide. In this Tech Talk Tuesday, we will compare the major screw families, show what their points and threads are designed to do, and finish with a practical selection checklist. In the recovered demonstration, Rich and Ashley compare real fasteners side by side. The most useful clues are the point, thread shape, head style, and finish. But those clues identify a family, not a final specification. A screw still has to be approved for the exact base material, load, environment, and installation method. Before choosing a screw, write down the joint. What is the first material? What is the supporting material? How thick is each piece? Is the connection structural or non-structural? Is it indoors, outdoors, wet, treated lumber, or exposed to salt or chemicals? Those answers determine the fastener type, diameter, length, point, and corrosion protection. Wood screws commonly use deep or coarse threads to engage wood fibers. A sharp, chisel, or Type 17 style point helps start the fastener, while nibs or cutters may help the head seat. Use the diameter and length required by the product or engineered detail. A pilot hole can reduce splitting, especially near an edge or in dense hardwood. Do not assume a general-purpose wood screw is a structural screw. Phrase metal screw can mean several different things. A sheet metal or self-tapping screw forms mating threads as it enters a prepared hole. A self-drilling screw has a drill-like point that creates the hole and then taps threads. A machine screw is intended for a tapped hole or a nut. Their point styles and thread forms are not interchangeable, so select the actual family called for by the assembly. A self-drilling screw works like a small cutting tool. The drill point must be rated for the total steel thickness it has to penetrate. Manufacturer guidance also ties performance to point geometry, driver speed, feed force, work hardness, and grip length. Too much force or too much speed can overheat or damage the point. Follow the published drilling capacity range rather than guessing from screw size alone. For wood or sheathing attached to steel, use a fastener specifically listed for that combination. Some wood-to-metal screws use wings near the drill point. The wings open clearance through the wood, then break away when they contact steel so the threads can engage. Ordinary wood screws and ordinary machine screws do not provide that controlled sequence. Correct installation protects the connection. Keep the driver square, use the correct bit or socket, and control the speed and depth. ITW BuildX warns that overdriving can twist off a fastener or strip the substrate. For the Tex family shown here, the head is fully seated when flush, and at least 3 pitches of thread must extend beyond the supporting metal. Apply the instructions for the exact product you are using. Finish is not cosmetic. Moisture, treated wood, salt air, cleaning chemicals, dissimilar metals, and condensation can all change the corrosion risk. Select a coating or stainless grade that the manufacturer approves for the service environment and the connected materials. When the exposure is uncertain or the connection is critical, involve the project designer or a qualified professional. Avoid 4 common mistakes. First, choosing by appearance or color alone. Second, using a drywall or general-purpose screw where a rated structural connection is required. Third, ignoring total steel thickness or required thread engagement. Fourth, substituting one fastener family for another because the diameter looks close. The package label, technical sheet, and tested assembly control the choice. Here is the practical checklist. Identify both materials and their thickness. Decide whether the connection is structural. Select the approved fastener family, diameter, length, point, and head. Confirm drilling capacity, embedment, and thread engagement. Match the coating to the environment. Then use the specified driver, speed, torque, and seating method. When any of those facts are unknown, stop and check the manufacturer data. The takeaway is simple: choose by substrate, then verify by specification. Wood screws, self-tapping screws, self-drilling screws, and machine screws solve different problems. When you match the fastener to the materials, thickness, load, environment, and installation instructions, the connection becomes predictable. For help identifying commercial door and hardware fasteners, visit absupply.net.